Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the repost button on your TikTok app. So here when I open my TikTok, you can see in the right panel, when I click on the arrow, I have got a repost button. So here when I click on repost, you can see that I have reposted the video. So what if you don't have this option? For that you need to go to your profile on the bottom right, and in the top right you need to click on the three lines and then go to settings and privacy. Here when you scroll down, you need to click on free up space and then clear your cache. Click on clear, and I hope that now you will get the repost button. So if that also doesn't work for you, then all you need to do is go to your settings of the app and then click on storage and cache. From here you need to clear your cache and your storage as well. And if that also doesn't work for you, then you need to go to your Play or App Store, and here you need to make sure that your app is on the latest version. You will see here if you have got an update. I hope these methods work for you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.